was early morning yesterday. I was up before the dawn. Really have enjoyed my stay. Must be moving on. Like a king without a castle, like a queen without a throne. I'm an early morning lover and I must be moving on. I believe in what you say, it's the undisputed truth. Have to have things my way, keep me in my youth. Like a ship without an anchor, like a slave without a chain. This thought of those sweet ladies sends a shiver through my veins. I will go on shining, shining like brand new. Never look behind me and my troubles will be few. Goodbye, stranger, it's been nice. Hope you find your paradise. Glad to see your point of view. Hope your dreams will all come true. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye, Jane. Will we ever meet again? Feel no sorrow, feel no shame. Come tomorrow, feel no pain. Some that do and some that don't. Some that just can't tell. Some that will and some that won't. Some it's just as well. Laugh at my behavior, never bothered me. Say the devil is my savior and I don't need no heat. I will go on shining.